We'll leave a little bit of leaves there on that one. And what I'm going to do is weave these twigs together here with these sticks. I also have some moss right here from the ground. This is clean. Okay, so as I take the leaves off, I now have something that you can see. Okay, and that's just going to be a little piece. So moss that a bird would take and put inside the nest. Bark right here. Okay. A soft piece of bark here. And so my frame for my nest, I'm thinking I'm going to make it just a heavy, thick stick right here. And then I can weave things around this. Okay. So right now I'm bending the stick into the form of a cup almost, or a bowl. Okay, so I'm bending that there. Okay, so I have something that looks like a geometric shape here. And then you just weave it together. So I'm going around, and I'm also, say I'm taking the little stick here, and I'm